Right, so today's the day. My car's finally going to come home with me. It's been in my parents' garage for about 5 years. The stuff I'll be leaving behind for now until I've sorted out my house and can put it all in. But Trey is coming at about 3 o'clock to pick it up, so I'm going to get on with clearing it all out. Quite a big task ahead of me. There it is, out in the cold light of day. It's been a while since it was out last. Still lots of work to do on it. Big mess of wires in the footwell. Still mainly front end work to do. So back at my place now. It's new home for the foreseeable future. Still got lots of work to do, but I can work on it regularly now. It's at my place. Fair amount of room to work on it. I can get down both sides. Most of the work I've got to do at the moment is on the front end, so gonna leave it this way around. The engine bay. So my plan is to get the shell all finished off and have it painted in about 6 months' time. So got a lot of saving to do for all the parts I want, suspension and diff and the engine build, but plenty to do on the body before I get to that stage, so yeah.